Hey guys, so I just wanted to make this video real quick just to give you a quick update on what's been going on. First of all, thank you so much for everyone that has reached out to me over the last couple days since I got my haircut at Chris with Chris. I, it's not did not expect anything out of it. It was just a conversation we had, and he just asked me if he could go with it. Sure. And but anyways, huge shout out to Chris. Thank you for the haircut, number one, and thank you for opening my eyes and giving me a different platform, I guess, that I could share my knowledge with other people. So huge shout out to Chris. Thank you, brother, for doing that. I appreciate it. But yeah, so guys, here's the thing. I'm gonna be giving out a lot of information for free. Um, I don't I don't mind giving it out for free. Um, so I'm thinking December 1st is when I'll go ahead and start releasing new videos, and basically these videos will be starting from the very beginning. So if you've never traded Forex before, don't know what Forex is, um, definitely get subscribed to the channel. Put the little bell icon, I guess it is, to let you know when the videos drop. But December 1st, I'll be dropping the first video, and essentially, uh, a new video will come out every week. Okay. I'm starting to notice these videos do take a long time to create and all that stuff. So one video a week is the upload schedule that I'll keep. And so we'll go over essentially all of the basics of Forex first. And then once we get through all the basics of actual Forex, then we can get into like risk management, trading psychology, um, and an actual strategy for trading. Okay. But you need to understand a couple things. Trading Forex is very risky. So please do not trade any money that you cannot afford to lose. Okay. So very important. This is not a get rich quick, thing or anything like that. Um, the forex market is real. You can make money with it, but you also have to know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, it doesn't matter how much money you have, $1 million, $2 million, $10. It doesn't matter. You're gonna blow it. Okay. So very important that if you're gonna do this, just understand, come in with the right expectations of what to expect. Right, you're not going to get rich overnight. You're not, you probably will fail the first year, maybe year and a half. I don't know how long it'll take you to get it, but once you get it and understand it, then you're good. But it takes time to understand everything about it. Okay, I don't care what anybody else says. I'm telling you, it takes time to learn it. Okay, so understand that coming in, that it's not going to take you a month and then you'll be good to go. You're going to be learning for a while, and then everybody's learning curve is different. Um, so some people will learn it faster than others. Okay, but you should look at this coming into it as something that will take time to learn. And so a lot of the time that you're going to be learning and practice trading, you're going to be doing on a demo account, so um, you're not risking any of your capital. Okay, so that's a good thing. That's one thing that's really good about forex, is that you can have a demo account to practice on, and you can practice strategies and stuff like that and make sure that they work. Um, but yeah, so very important. Treat it like you're going to a university, and you need a bachelor's degree, in trading. It takes time. Okay, they won't when you go to university. They don't teach you. You don't get a bachelor's in a month or 6 months or even a year. It takes 4 years, right, to get a bachelor's, right? So it just takes time to learn it. But once you learn it and you learn the skill, you'll have it forever. And believe me, the fiat money is not going to go anywhere. Okay, so you always have it. All right, but you just need to learn it correctly, and just learn and practice it, and things of that nature. So just put in the work, basically, you know. But yeah, December 1st, new videos. The new series will drop. It'll start out with a video called The Foundation, and that'll lay down the foundation, for Forex. Okay, so every week we'll have a new video coming out, and then what I'll do is a free I'm working on a free membership, um, where you can just go to our website and have access to all the information directly on the website. Okay, so I'm working on a free membership where you can just sign up, and it'll be a free membership for you, and you can have access to all the video content, PDF files, and stuff like that. Okay, a lot of you have asked for mentoring. I'm working on the mentoring part right now. I'm trying to figure out how much time I would actually have to actually mentor and how many people would be interested in mentoring. Okay, mentoring will not be free, because it does take up quite a bit of my time. As each mentoring session, could be anywhere from an hour to 2 hours. And if you figure if you have 30 students, 1 to 2 hours, that can get really hectic really quick. So definitely mentoring will be a paid service. And I'm still trying to figure all the logistics for that out, with scheduling and stuff like that. But if you are interested in paying for mentoring, okay, please drop a comment in the video below so I can kind of guess how many people are interested in actually doing mentoring. Or you can send me an email to fxntradinggroup at gmail.com. That's fxntradinggroup at gmail.com. Okay. So just be patient with me, guys. I'm working on all the videos right now. And again, they'll drop on December 1st. We'll start the series from the very beginning. And we'll go ahead and get started from there. Also, in the links, in the description, there will be links to a private Facebook group, where we'll be all together and we can chat all together there as well. Okay, so the links will be in the description, for the private Facebook group. You just request to join once you get to the link, and you'll be able to join. Okay, guys, I look forward to helping as many of you as possible. If you know anybody who is interested in trading, or who is trading and might not have either all the skills, or could possibly be having some issues trading or need some help, share the channel with them, and I'll be more than happy to help as many of you as possible. All I ask is just please be patient with me, because I've never done anything like this before, so it'll just it'll take some time for me to adjust to having a channel and stuff like that. But I thank you very much, guys, for your interest in learning how to trade. Thank you to Chris again, man. I appreciate you, brother. And you guys have a great rest of your day. Okay, see you guys.